Earth, our wonderful world. But how much do you know about the planet we call home? Let's find out with our fascinating facts about the Earth. But before diving in the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, then please do share the video to your family and friends. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. Its name comes from the Old English and German words meaning the ground. Our amazing planet has been around for quite some time. By researching our planet's rocks, scientists have calculated the Earth to be around 4.5 billion years old. Like all the planets, Earth orbits around the Sun, and it does so at some serious speed, around 30 km per second. In fact, it takes 365 days, means 1 year for the Earth to complete one full orbit. Have you ever wondered why we have different seasons? We will tell you. It's because the Earth is titled 23.4 degrees on its axis, an imaginary line straight through the middle of the planet from the North Pole to the South Pole. This means that different parts of the globe are titled towards the Sun at different times of the year or at different times during its orbit. Not only does Earth zoom through space, it also spins on its axis. We have daytime and nighttime as the planet rotates. The side facing the Sun receives daylight and the other is in darkness. People often think of Earth as a gigantic sphere, but in fact its shape is more like squished ball that bulges out at the equator. An imaginary line around the middle of the planet, exactly between the North Pole and the South Pole. This bulge is caused by the Earth's spin and the effect of gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that attracts objects towards each other. It's this force that pulls things towards the Earth and stops us floating off into space. The Earth's diameter, straight through the middle, measures a huge 12,800 kilometers, making it the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are even bigger. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life. This is because it has two very important things that living creatures need to survive: lots of oxygen and lots of water. Its distance from the Sun means it's not too hot and not too cold for creatures to live on too. Earth's atmosphere is also hugely important for sustaining life. The atmosphere is a huge blanket of gases, mostly oxygen and nitrogen, wrapped around Earth, protecting our planet from the Sun's strong rays. At the same time, the atmosphere helps keep the Earth's temperature comfortable for living beings, and it protects us from meteors too. What do you think about our facts about the Earth? Leave a comment below and let us know about your opinion. Have a great day. Bye.